hear what me say? Wicked.
We are can't make money when I work, daddy.
Me say man terrible. That man can't terrible no more, my lad. Me look and I say no man. Me can't follow that man here, you know. Cause that man here gonna lead me astray, brethren. Me shame all more time too, you know. Cause more time people pick up all the rake and I say no man. You look like a gin and jip, man. Cause me always a turn back, you know. Man,
yo, man, deadly, my lad. You work with a man and do fast on your business. Yeah. Because you have to sit down and wait for him. You still come by, my friend. You say, he money come here, so you have to get 50. You have to get 100. You have to get 10. Somebody, 1,000 and that, you know. Then clamp it 1,000, 100 and you think if it's nothing. Because you say you use 100 by your juice, you know. So if I even style him, I style. All the bills, man. I don't know, say I'm millions here, I make up give this boy, you have to go work, do that. Watch it.
Man, taxi man down at hospital and come out there, taxi say, man, check his baby mother. Then he come back to the taxi man and tell the taxi man. Them tell him $1,000 in a 5 bills. The taxi man for give him 5 bills, kind of not change. So me I say, what kind of money man pan him? Can I tell the taxi man say, give him 500, you know not change. And the taxi man give. And he gone over hospital, gone through jack money and every taxi man out there wait. See? That's when the taxi man file. So, but me I say that couldn't happen to me, because if you come to me and I say, see, you know not change.
Well, if it happens to your brother, I want to hear you all have a man say a man come with a back. I'm back, 2 bags come from a supermarket like him as chain it. And come and drop the back. So look now, bring my man foot time and the man did it and he turn up son. I wait for the taxi till he look at the man and say, yo, here we go on. Boom bad, like he say, boom bad. We have a business to go deal with around this. And the man say he take up in 8,000. And then the man left with 2 blood clot grocery bags. We didn't have a banana. We bought $3,000. How's that good? I'm glad it's such money yet. You know what the man walk? The taxi man, he said, when he hear me taxi man attack, I'm going to take this taxi there, man, in the fight. He said, Bamba, I'm a vaccine. He man cuss. Yeah, he say man cause straight I walk with me and go brother, yeah man. We're going to come this about problem.
They're good, man, they're good.
God, look at that, you know what I can get his style. Guys, the 3 man come with the 2 scan and back them. The man there go if he have a banana, they put 3,000.
I get 3,000 in there.
And I hear the man over brother, I tell.
But I hear one thing now, good and see that the food and can be made up now.
I remember every time.
I remember.
Sell the man, sell him 2 bags.
You know, bro, man, they run taxi. You know, bro, man, they run taxi through here. The man get a charter for go town. And carry man go town. The man don't give him no money for no here. Him fool in a top of gas station for him man give him part-time money. He go town and he go town. And the man go in a place and he say, man, go and come back out. So look, Pampa, bang and come back out. And come back and tell him, hey, see, I get it. Say, no, you look good. And you have an ring and a chain and the man say, let me chain. And you know, just pull it to a big chain. And give man. You want him come for a scheme and married one year. Greg, take off his chain and give man an earring. The woman married. Female go look woman. Say man go look woman. You got impressed woman. What again? So what can I not for go look, girl? Just when him go back in that place, can the man go through this and do your master can? Greg don't get no charter we got on.
Go upon the man,
Greg say cheer the man see man. Cheer. The man want last time. Yeah, Greg got a town. Free. Guys.
No, I'm scared. Man, the place are full of cannabis, man.
So that, that's someone I just today.
Jacob. I saw them work the streets still, you know.
Someone I just today.
They just walk and can people.
We have one bridging, man.
What a tiger market.
We have one bridging one time, man.
I know I drew and go
Two somebody, hey, you see right in a familiar of a bookie park, 2 girls fight. And one of them take up one stone and broke the next one foot. One broke the next one foot. One of my brethren know that the girl have one rich blood clot brother fired, you know. See him? You know what he comes do? So the gums go to the girl mother and say, yo, me, your dad a plan saying, you have to send Taddy in a prison, you know. And you have to send him a prison. And you know, so me one can't talk to him down it, make him not send him a prison. And his mother don't want him that to go to prison, you know, so you don't know what blood clot when they gums him do. When they gums go and like him go talk to Danet, you know. I come back to him, mama, you know. I say, you want me to talk to Danet, man. Danet say, I want you to 20,000, you want to compromise it. That time Danet not tell him nothing, you know. That's what I said to you to blood. Danet not tell him nothing, you know. And the dog, they call a rich brother and fire to blood clot. I bet Tony Coops get 120,000 just so, you know. Tony Coops just get 140,000 gone with about 80. To blood clot, I don't know if you foot, bro. See, that's what I said, Joe. See. Yo, boy, yes, it's a blood clot.
Them make it bad for you next people.
Yeah, for real,
There are
man.
some people really sick out there want to help.
I want to help.
But
For
me
real.
not help them. That's from me learn from them. Me tell a man no more body see me on road and just see me. I say, yo, give me that. Yeah, me again natural brother. I'm not sure you tell me about nothing. So when you're gone, I'm not style, you style. You understand it?
Yeah. Fish around here, see so much gums papa. Give me one kill gums, man. But gums just give one blood clot 10 out of 8 fish. Keep it quiet. Man take your money so clean that even police ain't can't call.
No, I'm on the thief.
Not even then.
I don't robbery that, my lad.
Not TV. Are you game, brother? You willingly take up your money and give this young man, you know?
You know, say a man in a tell me about a style. He say he go New York, I run taxi. I do some little juggling.
Look, I know me, I got start now.
I'm telling you about one style when you get over there. He said, how we taxi them now, he can't, through him no straight.
No start me yet,
He
but
can't up front.
we're in a fall, man, you hold them, I go
Taxi
full back.
And go look at passenger.
If I dig them, if I clear
You
them
get
out
some
back, you hold it,
people.
you full back, man.
You get some people. And,
Eh?
alright, good load. And then go where I'm going now. And
A
when
man
they
in the
reach,
man
we
say,
start to
I
drop
can't,
them
you rest
off.
a sin and go him.
Like you all of them, one family. You go to them shop.
Yeah, a man in the same car then come.
So, the one I man say, hold on. Fear, where fear then? And the driver said that, you know, that one of them, you know. And then said, the money left for yard. He was search and say, the money left for yard. One of the woman said, so.
Big girl, man.
Alright, no problem. Driver, you are, drop it right at the yard front, and we just want to go up there, upstairs and come back with the fear. The driver said, no problem, but I do then. So the man who make it out now, he stand up there with the driver. The whole everybody else come out of the car and gone.
Left like the man there alone.
And him and the driver out there chat and them a chat and, you know, like how we are there a chat. And the man say, did I wait? And I said, no man, what should they man there? And like him pushing it and go through the door. And he said, like when I said, Toxie! He come back out and said, sure come man, she's soon. Did they want that period of time again? Then the same man say, no man, be serious man.
What took the car come?
He can't come. So him go through the door and I said, nah, maybe go for money can come in. Go through the door to the receipt and come back out and let the driver. He go through the door and then come back, the driver one time about the now. So him say, he did any man wait him and say, the blow it that one man. Oh, the blow now, screw the people that did it man. And do so. Bam and bust the door. See when he bust the door to blood skid. No house not in there. I was the front of the place. I pay a bush around there. People, he said, oh,
Long time to blood.
he said when they see that, he don't do so like that. Next thing they go attack him.
Then robber them, my lad.
No house. So him say everything start play back in my mind now and say, no, that's good. So when them boss it door now, and them matter about Tuxi. A part I can't.
Yeah, the fact Tuxi gone long time, man. I just be there with you.
At time, him a give them free clear the area with the back them.
Yeah.
So him one now with him too long and now when him shot it through the door now, you know.
Done, man. Done with you, man. Done with you. I hear they about Tuxi. Tuxi, man.
I never thought more. Jamaica can find out get canned.
Can work anyway, my lad.
Yeah.
Brother, any man can, your brother can. I sit the way. Style, I sit the way. Any man he get style. You will just say you can't get style, that's all.
Cause Wolf a style.
You know, yeah, I say I go to Maple one day, man, and I go so boom and come and I buy a Nike slippers. Save up my money, you know. I work half year save money for buy a Nike slippers, you know, so you know you can't buy it this week. If you buy it this week, you can't go back and work next week.
Yeah.
Save my money for buy my slippers, you know, and go out of town, you know, and buy my slippers. See, boy, when me always buy slippers from him not have Nike slippers so I want, so I walk go down the road and go buy my Nike slippers. So you know, boy, they must sell around, like you are selling clothes, you have some man around there where they call Ghost. We would have show you pants and this now.
Yeah.
Put on them $200. I see one of them boy there, choose me and your general now and me rate them when I come back and see them, me and them talk how we did it.
Yeah.
So I see boy you go in, and I say, yo, come in dog. And the dog come in, and I say, yo, when I say I'm pants, I want shirt to match my slippers right now. And the dog I say, you mean man, logo, you in a man, you can't carry go deal with it man. And I say, me and the boy, I'm lucky say me and member good. I said, me and him walk, go so boom and walk and come through Bashko, so I run the container there, you know. And we reach a place and we reach a container and I go so boom and put the slippers on the car top and tap so. Pally and I look on the pants. Pally. So when me don't look on the pants and go so Pally. You don't know say heart attack me. Me say me heart drop out of hey! And me say Paul, you whole of my belly cut me, you know. And guess what go on, me can't say I boy teeth, you know. Cause see boy when I come down with, he did the said way, you know. Paul, me say I told me get too ignorant now and too dark now, me not find my slippers, you know. You know say, and when me get ignorant and dark and fool now, you know, and reach over my yard when me get back cool, I say, bumbo clad, look, you come like you not cook too. Look at your slippers take and go. Right in a restaurant where a boy go collect his food. See, said restaurant where a boy say I go collect his food, pan Pally. Right, they say boy just take back my slippers and put it there, sir. I say Pally told me bakes and I say in my own town, me get style. In my own yard. Say I 100 times I go on Tommy. Till me finally buck up a man who own the place. I say Tommy, this a man style me, you know. Because you Tommy have a sound different you can have as young youth and then sit there. I say Tommy, this a man style, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah, cut off, I cross. See your name take up my slippers and I say Pampa until this day. Pampa, I see all the board on the bag on you. So I say, no, if you just take on board and go look in the head. Had this a man style, Pampa.
And you know, no proof.
No more. I'm not proof.
wrong man.
No, Pampa, him. Look at him and the man in a restaurant. And the next you there, them alone the slippers can pass through.
But I wish one.
But which one? And one of them are
You know, most United.
him in it, man.
You know, most
Me say him in it, him I cool, him
But we
quick.
are going to prove.
He must see what I go out and now say nothing to.
You can't prove it. Me can't prove it, but me just can't tell you about how he play. I see him, me turn up with when he show me pants and he kick the slippers there, so. You see, next you to send with it. Yes. Him make this a you take my slippers and take on my slippers. You me tell us, two, you know, remember I suede Nike when me get Pampa. The suede spongy Nike, so. I two Nike me get for my slippers, you know. Me tell them, say, no, I won't ramp with, I go work for my money. I too hard, me go work for my money. Me say, then I told till me see when youth coming, I told.
I said, just change it to look up at them.
So when the youth come in, I told, so look now, I come in, I told them, I said to you, so you know, so then those Steve slippers and the dog say, oh, and me tell him, dog, so come go break up everybody around there. I will go on the I will reach on the time, he say, yo, look, where you are? And me say, I tear his Nike in the store, me look on his punchy sweet Nike, then just I couldn't know, and me go, so, I take down one, I hear me dog, you know, long, I want a Nike too. One like for you. Brand new Nike and shirt to get me say, don't play with me when you see me here, boy. You know what about me, uncle? Just through in a town, me get style. I say, if all man feel me get style. Just gone here, man, and call them slippers. But me, I say, dog, you know me. No man supposed to style in the yard.
Feel good.
Feel this good, man.
Anyway, brother.
Me say, uncle.
Just like he said, for the man.
Big man like me, a ball all night. Me don't know where God said this about that come from. That's where a man love me. And the man comes to me a ball. The man I said, dog, what do you? And me I said, dog, I'm slippers, you know. Dog, I said, slippers and some shoes around there. Go broke up there. And Tabby see him, and Tabby do say, I chop it. Tabby say, what do you want? Two. And they sponge for
You know, Mr. Brown, where have a sitting up a bushy part there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, man, me I tell you, say, style and get you on your dad. And Mr. Brown in style, you know. And Mr. Brown don't trust people, you know. Me don't know where that man tell Mr. Brown say, you know. Son. Me not talking what. Daddy, me attack. Alright. Mr. Brown, hard. I said, Tony Gooms give my style about 40,000. Now, sitting Tony Gooms take off of the
Yeah, man, style, Mr. Brown, have to give you ratings.
Yeah, man, everybody style, everybody.
So Rasta Wagwan.
Coop on the man, big eleven man, fucking man, wagwan.
See I build back today.
Then you know
I
the
go
build
and
back
take
is
in the
here more
vibes.
time too.
Mm-hmm.
You see me?
Yeah, one.
Yeah, right, a leg daddy.
Alright, yo, the road. That's it.
Yes, my lord.
Don't know anything going on.